marry me and make that feeling last forever.
You say? I'm sorry. What did you say? I didn't hear you clearly. What did you say?
Well, maybe I was too fast.
No. Sorry. I mean, I just feel it would be a backstab to my sister if I say yes. That's why I said
Okay, it's all right. I will just allow you to think.
No. I don't want to think about it. Yes, I'll marry you. What I said before was a mistake. I'll marry you. I'm sorry. I'm just confused. Yes, I'll marry you. Yes, I'll marry you. I coated my nails. It's not rough, so the ring will fit perfectly.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.